go.
Whoa, what's he doing here? How did you get through the checkpoint? Quickly as you can. For those of you that are residents here at Dead Creek or just passing by, I regret to inform you that there has been a serious incident regarding a nearby facility. The town is under quarantine. I must know if any of you have drunk from the water in the local area. This is incredibly important. For those of you that haven't, I must ask you to keep a close eye on the ones that have and keep a lookout for any signs of the virus. These are severe fever, cough in blood, signs of neurological distress, incoherent speech, memory loss, large infected gashes and boils developing on the skin, extreme rage, and finally, complete loss of motor and mental function. It is imperative you do not come into contact with any of these infected individuals because as of now, there is currently no cure. Unfortunately, I cannot let you leave without being decontaminated, and the only way is forwards. You must walk as quickly and safely as you can to ensure that you survive. But I fear for some of you, it may already be too late. Follow me this way! He needs to move quietly. Bring it! It's always bad!
So far, so quiet.
The infection has gone into my brain. I don't mean to hurt you. I don't. It's happening. What are you doing? You get out now or it's all time.
Look, Johnny. You're still free. Stop it now. I mean it.
Yeah, now it's a little bit scary.
Oh, chainsaw!
I think I've seen a few of my exes.
More unfortunate subjects! How wonderful! Stop there! Early stages of infection as well. The bad news is, you're going to end up like my friend here. I cannot let you leave. You can try. And the exit is that way. But I'm afraid that my colleague, God rest his soul, will stop you in the most painful manner imaginable. Now, go on. Run, little Peter!
I think this must be near the end. It's not the end.